Hey guys, it's your girl Madison from the channel Luma. So we just got my dad a brand new camera, and it is a Canon T7i recommended by my favorite YouTuber, Alisha Marie. So kudos to you and thank you. Today our topic is the new trend, fidget spinners. So yeah, I'm just gonna tell you a little bit about what they are and what they can do. So let's just get right on to the video. Like I said, our topic is fidget spinners. So first thing I actually want to tell you is that they come in very different shapes and sizes. Like there is 4-sided ones, there's 2-sided ones, there's actually different colors and different shades you can make. You can also customize your own. So this one is actually blue. We got it from the store actually. It was $7.99, so you can actually get yours anywhere. You can look them online, you can get them at the store, they're everywhere. That's the first thing I let you know about fidget spinners. So the third thing you need to know about these magical fidget spinners is, one of them is actually you can spin it on a pencil, and I'm going to show a little clip of it right now. You can do a glow-in-the-dark one. Actually, I can't show you that because I don't have a glow-in-the-dark fidget spinner, but I will again show a clip of it. Okay, so what you do for a floating fidget spinner, okay, but you take a little piece of tape, try not to get as many fingerprints on it, I did, but you fold it into a little tube thingy-majigger and you try and flatten it out as best as you can. Then you put it on the top, you put your index finger on it, and however you hold it, spin it, and then you can show a bunch of people how it looks like. Ooh. The last but not least thing you can do with a fidget spinner is spin it on different places of your body. So let's try my nose. Yeah, that's all. Okay, my forehead. Okay, mini. Let's try mini. Well, that's a success. Okay, where else should I do it? I think that's it. I really think that's it. Yeah. There's probably as many places I can do it. Yes. So, thank you guys for watching this video about fidget spinners. You can watch a lot more videos about this. If you heard me say in the beginning of the video, Luma, and this is our little signature thing, yeah. So Luma is basically a channel that me and my dad made because he wanted to do a YouTube channel with his stories and stuff that he does at work. And I said, well, I also want to do a YouTube channel. So we made up Luma because my dad's name is Lewis and my name is Madison. So we just thought of Luma. And it's a really fun channel that future videos are gonna be featured, and it will be of me and my dad. Right now my dad is behind the camera, but so yeah, I think that's about it. But make sure to subscribe and like and comment some of the video ideas you should think we should do. So I messed that up. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'm hanging out. Bye.